Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add and manage bots to your Discord server from PC. Subscribe to Guide Mentory and let's go. So what you need to do is open your server and click on its name at the top. Now from this drop down select app directory, and here you can search for different apps and bots for your server. Let's just search for any bot. Which one do you like more? I like this one. Let's add it to server. So you can read about the bot, about list of comments, about permissions. And once you decide to add this bot to your server, just click on Add App. Click on Add to Server. Select a server if you have few. Review permissions and click Continue. Now once again, review which permissions you wish or don't wish to give to this bot. You can adjust it later in your settings and authorize bot. Now click on I am human. Now your bot is added. Let's go back to the server. Some bots send messages to you when they are added to your server. Some bots don't do it. But anyway, you can click on your server name and go to settings. In the apps section, click on integrations, and here you can find all your bots and applications. Click on manage to learn commands, to see and set up permissions, or to remove bot from your server. And that's pretty it, guys. Start to interact with your bots. I hope this was helpful. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and be awesome. Bye.